Commission on Elections, or COMELEC, has clarified that they are not opposed to the revitalized Katok or Oplan Katok program of Philippine National Police and aimed at regulating gun ownership, but emphasized the need to avoid public concerns during the election period. Once the program is properly organized, specific guidelines for the revitalized Katok will be put in place. The Philippine National Police, or PNP, has previously stated that the implementation of the Comprehensive Firearms and Ammunition Regulation Act during the campaign period aims to curb the proliferation of loose firearms.
Sinanghalalan, medyo iba ang dynamics ng ating komunidad. Meron po sa malalayong lugar na maaring ang ating PNP o kaya beyond their control, gagamitin po ng mga politiko at kandidato na pamamaraan niya parang panakot. Walang kaalam-alam ang ating PNP, pero yung pala ay sinusundan na sila na parang may pananakot. Yan po yung mga bagay na nais nating iwasan.